Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable slow mode on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Conversation in Discord channel can get heated up quickly while the messaging app now offers a new feature called Discord Threads. To create a spirit feed for specific topics, server admins have a neat feature called Slowmode to limit the number of messages in a Discord channel. So in this video, I will show you how to enable this feature. So first of all, first we have to open our Discord. Now you can just choose on the server that you want to enable the slow mode. This one for example. We can go to the conversation. Now you can just tap on the settings in here, in the general, tap on settings. You can just scroll down and you'll find there's an option slow mode cooldown. You can enable this feature but adjust slide like this. You can enable from 5 seconds until 6 hours with just for 1 minute. Now you can just tap on save on the upper right corner here. So now you have enabled the slow mode on your Discord server. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable slow mode on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.